Hi everyone, welcome to another video in the series how to write a paint program with the modern Filtweight. This is tip number 4, complex selections. Now, a paint program should have a selection tool, and that's pretty much a given, and it should be capable of selecting rectangular areas, something like this. The area should also have what in the industry is called marching ants, which is this animation of the outer edges where you can see this dashed pattern moving along, which does resemble a little bit, if you think about it, insects moving on a straight line. Well, that's where the name comes from, marching ants. Right, so this, as I said, this is pretty much a given for a paint program, but if you wanted to push this to the next level, what you might end up doing is to actually add support for more complex selections. Now I'm holding my control key here down, and this is what happens when I do so. I can actually build a complex selection, and as you can see, I'm only concerned about showing the outer edges of the selection, which means having the marching ants only at the outer contours. Now I'm holding Shift and Control, and I'm cutting a hole inside the selection. Let's do this in a few more places if you wish. Just for fun, I would say just because we can, I guess. And then let me just add a few bits here just to make it look like almost a dome or something. Righty-ho, and I also have an option that highlights what the current selection is, and you can actually add more areas to this. And then what you can also do, let's see if my artistic touch kicks in. I doubt it, but let's see. This one, a little bit of this. Radio. Now it can be confusing to try and understand which one is which area is selected, which one is not. So that's why I added these controls. So with pressing a key, I can actually show a blue overlay for the selection. The selection can be dragged, or it can drag contents. Let's have a look at dragging just the selection outline. So if I click inside the selection, I can drag it around. And final one, and for this one I might want to enable the overlay. If I invert the selection, this is what I get. Again, just a quick one to say that this is pretty much expected in a modern paint program. So this is what you might want to go for. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.